Teen girl set on fire by ex heads to the US for treatment. Man on bail for gun charges held in spot check with another weapon. Cops find gun left behind by fleeing criminals in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Alisa King, the 17-year-old girl who was set ablaze after being dosed with gasoline while asleep, left Jamaica on Tuesday, August 29, for Texas, USA, where she will receive medical care. King has been receiving medical care at the University Hospital of the West Indies since the attack on August 24, which was allegedly carried out by her ex-boyfriend. The ex-boyfriend, 18-year-old Antoine Gray, otherwise known as Bad Fowl and Bright, is now being sorted by the police. He is known frequently to the Johns Road and Toss Pen area of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The law enforcement officers have tried repeatedly to locate him. However, their efforts have proven futile. One man was arrested and charged following a firearm seizure on the Salt Marsh Main Road in Trelawney on Monday, August 29. Charged is 24-year-old Neil Walters, a construction worker in Charlestown, St. Mary. Reports from the Falmouth Police are that at about 9:40 p.m., a team of officers were conducting a vehicular checkpoint operation in the area when they signaled the driver of a Toyota Isis motor car to stop, and he complied. The vehicle and its occupants were searched, and one Colt Commander 45mm pistol fitted with a magazine containing 3 45mm cartridges was found in the possession of the occupant. Following an investigation, it was revealed that Walters is on bail for a similar breach of the Firearms Act. He was arrested and subsequently charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition. A 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 3 rounds of ammunition were seized by the Westmoreland police during an operation in Geneva in the parish. Reports are that at about 1:30 p.m. on Monday, lawmen were on operation when a group of men ran on approach of the police. The area was searched and the weapon was found. The police are continuing their investigations into the incident.